how to create a PrizePicks account in under 2 minutes. If you want to create a PrizePicks account in under 2 minutes, go to prizepicks.com or use the PrizePicks app and click on the sign up button from the top right. Over here, just enter the email address that you would like to use for your PrizePicks account. Then you can also add a promo code. After that, click on the continue button right there. After you've done that, it will ask you to type in your first name and type in your last name. Make sure that you include your legal name over here because you have to verify information later, and click on continue. Now you must select your date of birth and you must be at least 18 years or older in order to be able to select this right here. So let me just go ahead and then select my respective date of birth and click on continue. After that, you have to simply type in your addresses right over here and then click on the continue tab. So once you went ahead and then done that, you should be able to verify other information, choose a password, and your PrizePicks account will be successfully created. This way you can create a PrizePicks account in under 2 minutes. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.